Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 22nd. I'm out here in the greenhouse. It was like 37 last night. It's going to be about 30 tonight, 31. And I have these tomatoes that I've already put out. This is a Super Sweet 100, and this here is a Gold Nugget. They're both cherry, or that's grape tomato. But I just covered them with some pots last night. I wanted to get these in early. I'd like to have tomatoes. That's usually the sign of gardening season, is tomatoes and squash and cucumbers. And I'm out here today, and like I say, it's cold, and we may have to protect these a little bit later. But I'm planting some squash, and all I did was amend my soil with some pelleted chicken litter and some bone meal. The bone meal seems to do good for keeping the squash bugs down, and the squash for some reason just seems so much healthier when they're done that way. But I've got 3 hills of crookneck squash, and I've got this 1 hill of zucchini, and we're just pushing these down in about 1 inch. 1/2 inch to 1 inch is good. And right here we've got green beans. Now, I noticed, and I've always tried to plant them early, but I've noticed that green beans tend to take the cold pretty good. At least the variety that I've got here. And as you can see, I've done a double row, and I put them about 2 to 3 inches apart, put them pretty close. That's the way I've always planted them. What I'm going to do is I'll cover these up, and then I'm just going to put some chicken litter over the top, and we'll water all this in. But also, I've got some cucumbers over here. And what we'll do, once these come up, we'll take and thin these down to 1. A lot of times when I plant my cucumbers, I'd do 2 plants, but being here in the greenhouse, and this is the ideal time to get rid of your weeds too, if you're going to keep it kind of weed free. Get them when they're little, before they seed. Yes, it is a little bit of a pain. You can see one over here. But we want to try to catch these before they start seeding. They're easy to take out then. But we've moved our tomato starts inside. I'll show you how they're doing in our peppers, because we don't want to worry with them maybe getting a little too cold or something, stunting them. They are getting a little large because they were planted a little bit early, but won't be long, they'll probably be going out. We left our sweet potato slips. If the cold does get them, which I don't think it's going to get that cold, but if it does get them, they'll come back from the tuber, so we'll still have everything we need. Now, these sweet potatoes here, they haven't come up. Just the ones sticking out that were sticking out in the beginning, but they'll start. There's no sense in rushing them. But what I'm trying to tell you, and we're an 8B, and we're not through the winter yet, but it looks like we've got a couple more days of cold, and then we'll actually roll the ends up on the greenhouse, because the lows that it'll get is into the 40s, and there's nothing that's going to get killed unless there's a frost when it's in the 40s. The tomatoes will do fine. You know, people say, well, you don't want them out below 50, but they'll do fine as long as they don't get a freeze. If they do get a frost on them or something, it's easy enough. Take the watering wand and wet them down first thing in the morning. take care of that. But I'm going to get this planted, and then we're going to go in and look at the little seedlings, how they're doing. Right. Okay, this is what the seedlings looking at, the peppers, which they're a little slower growing, but they're looking pretty good. Some of them are just barely going, but that'd be all right. But our tomatoes, they're getting kind of big. So you can see they're pretty tall. Same thing down here with our Cherokee purple. This is all our other varieties that we have. So they're either going to be potted up or they're going to end up going in the ground. I'll have to make that decision. But I hope you're planting your garden if you're up where it's too cold. And if you're down where it's warm, I'm sure you probably got something started. But I hope you enjoyed this planting update. And if you want to see more, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.